Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to configure the wishlist. And what is a wishlist? A wishlist is a list of products that a registered customer can share with friends, or save to transfer to the cart at a later date. To configure the wishlist, on the admin sidebar, tap Stores. Then under Settings, choose Configuration. In the panel on the left under Customers, choose Wishlist. You can look for the specific setting in User Guide document of Magento. When completing all the configuration, tap Save Config. Customers can manage their wishlists from the dashboard of their accounts. In the panel on the left of your customer account dashboard, choose My Wishlist. Add a comment to an item, hover over the image, and enter your comment in the box. You can also add any item to the cart. Coming up next we will learn about the Compare products. HexaSync. Connecting applications, automating processes,